I would like to show you how to replace a logo in your garment. So all you need to do is open the logo library. There is the author public library, and then there's your organization library, everything you just uploaded. And once you click the garment, you will see here on the properties panel the fabric, and when you double click it to enter this editing pattern content mode, and then one more left click for the logo, you'll get here all the logo information. Here you can see the logo name, technique, size, everything, all the information is listed here on the right. And when you take the logo that you want to replace, and let's say I'm going to drag it into the properties panel right here, this logo will replace the existing logo just in the same location and the same size. So I guess that's going to be the easiest way to replace the logo and make sure you stay exactly in the same place.